Okay, number 5, when you're overthinking, you're thinking that it takes a lot to start. It takes a lot to start. You're thinking that it takes a lot to start, and it doesn't. This is the only business. This is the only business. Look, I'm like a serial entrepreneur. there's been so many businesses that I've had before where I was just trying to make things work, and this is the only business that I know that it will pay you while you're learning on the job. It will pay you while you're getting better at the job. It will pay you a paycheck every single night. It will pay you when you actually show up off of your work. It will pay you as long as you're being consistent and you're not overthinking. You can get paid off of some of the things that are the fastest, ugliest art pieces. It doesn't matter because there's a market out there. The only competitor for eBay is Amazon. eBay would not be a multi-billion-dollar corporation if they didn't know how to sell your stuff. They already have 185 billion people that are buyers on eBay. They already have 150 credit cards that's already linked in there. Those are hot leads. Those are warm collectors. And they keep coming back over and over and over again. It doesn't take you a lot to start. At the most, for you to get started in this business, it would take you about $100 to $120. And that's to be honest with you. And that's just you getting a projector to start working off of a projector so you can have the confidence off of that. We work off of a projector so you could paint off of the proportions that's there. So that, and then just a basic paint set, and that's all you need. I mean, you don't even need to start off with an easel. You could have paintings that's on your wall that's, you could use screws as an easel and hang it up on your wall and paint like that. Knock it out. No excuses. In this day and age, you can come up with $100 to start your business. You could come up with $100 to start your business. It doesn't matter. Like if I was in that situation and if I didn't have anything and I wanted to start my business and I needed to just come up with a quick a business where only thing I need to do is $100, I would do Uber. I would do Lyft. Okay. I would do what is those ride fares with the food things. I would do whatever I had to do to get $120 to start my business because there's no other business out there where a startup fee of $100 to start your business. Everywhere else, you're going to have marketing fees. You're going to have to build your own website. You're going to have to pay somebody to do the coding. You're going to have to pay the hosting to GoDaddy or Spotify or something like that. Then you're going to have to spend money on the traffic for the marketing just so that way people could come to your organic site or your business. Then you're going to have to pay money to create the ads on the creatives so people can even come there. All right. I mean, think about that. We're talking thousands of dollars, and you don't even know if the business model is tested. This way, I'm already telling you what the business model is. It's eBay. I'm already telling you what the product is. It's original art. And I'm already telling you how to produce it, how to do the algorithms. Everything is mapped out for you inside of the community. So that way there's no guessing. All right. Now, when you're taking actions, you're letting the small cells build belief. It's all about the small cells. It's all about the small cells. Why? Because they compound. They compound over time. I always tell people, don't focus on, oh, I want $1,000. I want $100,000. I want $1,000,000. The way how you can get those numbers is you focus on the smaller number. That's how I was able to sell 18,000 paintings and I was able to make money is I focused on smaller numbers because they compound. And as long as I'm being consistent and the algorithm knows that I'm showing up, I'm able to sell the larger tickets off of my buy it now store. But as long as I'm showing up on the algorithm, eBay wants to see that you're participating on their site. By you participating on the site, that means that you're showing up and you're at least feeding it. I would always say that I had to feed it some blood, all right? I have to feed eBay because if not, they get jealous. eBay's algorithm gets jealous. They want to see that you're at least showing up and you're participating on there, and then they'll reward you. So the small sales add up. They add up on your site. They compound. I focus on $50. I focus on $100. What can I do? Can I make $100 today? If I can make $100 a day, then that guarantees that I'm going to be able to make my $2,500 to $3,000 a month. What can you do with $3,000 a month? There's a whole bunch that a lot of us could do with $3,000 a month. That's like a mortgage payment. That's maybe a couple car payments with insurance. That's bills. And I'm talking, that's just part-time. That's not even full-time. You could do that part-time. So just focus on the small steps, because then once you focus on the small steps and you knock it out for that day, you have a calendar, and then you're able to cross things off. Then you're able to compound. You're able to compound yourself, okay? So just focus on the small sales, and then it compounds over time. Be consistent. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about, and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm gonna check you out on the next video.